Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Here's How to Get a Lifetime Ban from the Library."
We're going to move forward with trespassing you from our library for not following staff directive and banging the mouse. So you need to know you cannot revisit the library in a year, or you will be subject to arrest. That's all locations. You didn't give me no trespass warning.
For banging the mouse? She was banging the mouse? How you get...
Following staff directive and banging the mouse. So you need to know you cannot revisit the library in a year, or you will be subject to arrest. That's all locations.
You didn't give me no trespass warning. He just told me to stop. But I have music on, so I can't hear anything outside here.
Okay, this is the trespass warning, and you can appeal that by mail, email, or through the web. So we'll give you this paperwork.
Okay.
And we're going to have to ask you to leave.
Okay. Fine.
And then that's your legal trespass paperwork from the city of Orlando.
All right. What's his name?
I'm sorry?
What's his name?
My name?
No, the person that... What's his name? The
For
person
what?
that complained?
No one complained, you're just not following staff directive by
There's a name, though. There's a name, though.
My name's on it. It's Officer Jalen Chris.
No, the person that made the complaint.
Okay, man. You're leaving right now, or you're going to end up going to jail, okay? So
I can't go to jail because I didn't do anything. I didn't commit any crime.
Well, as right now, you're being told to leave, and you're refusing to leave. So if you continue to refuse to leave,
I'm not
I'm going to
refusing
take you to
to
jail.
I'm not refusing to leave.
Okay.
How would I be taken to jail? There's no evidence.
Okay. Just gather your things, and we'll walk out, so that way it doesn't even go that route, okay?
Sounds
So you
smooth
have
to me.
explain how I would be taken to jail.
Man, if you don't get up and start leaving right now, I'm going to put you in handcuffs and take you to jail. And I don't want to do that, okay?
You're gonna put me in handcuffs?
Yes, ma'am. I need you to gather your things
Do
up
you
and
want
let's
to go
go.
sued?
I'm going to give you one more opportunity. Gather your things up and let's go, okay?
You're not gonna be telling me that I'm gonna be put to
Okay.
jail.
Well, just gather your stuff, and then that won't even happen, okay?
Can you get the employee's name, please?
No, ma'am. You need to leave.
You need to give me the employee's name.
You can go through the appeals process and put my name on the one issuing the trespass. My name is Caitlin Hill, and it's on that.
But there was the situation that I have to explain
That's
if I
not
take it
relevant to
further.
being trespassed right now.
Then why are you telling me what to do and I'm simply
You
asking for
need
a
to
name
leave,
and I can't get a
or
name?
you're going to be arrested.
I'm not gonna get arrested.
You need to leave
I'm
now.
not gonna get arrested.
As long as you leave, then yes, you will not get arrested.
How would I get arrested though? Explain how we get arrested.
Okay.
You have to have a probable cause before you get arrested.
This is one more chance. You stand up and leave, or I arrest you right now.
I'm not scared of your arrest.
I'm not trying to make you scared.
No, you're very unprofessional. All of
Okay.
all
You gonna get up, or we're gonna go to jail?
You're very unprofessional. Very unprofessional.
There we go.
I'll meet you downstairs. I'll walk this.
It's fine because I'm gonna sue you guys. I'm gonna sue you guys.
Just grab your stuff. You don't need to worry about any of that. Grab your stuff and let's start walking towards the exit.
You're not gonna tell me what to do. You're telling me to leave, so I take my time and leave. And you're gonna have to get ready for a lawsuit. What's your name?
Ma'am, start making your way towards the door
What's
with
your
your
name?
things.
Get her together, man.
You didn't even. I'm just asking for a name.
Under arrest.
I'm just asking for a
Stop.
name.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting. I'm about to leave. How can I be arrested if I'm
Oscar
about to leave?
700. Can I get a 45, please?
I'm about to
Put
leave.
your hands behind your back. I don't want to hurt you. Stop.
I'm about to leave though.
Stop.
I was just looking at the name. I was just looking at the name, sir. I was just looking at the name. I was just looking at the name.
Stop.
I was just looking at the name. I
Stop.
promise you, I was just looking at the name.
We're on the fourth floor. I'm going to have it.
I was not resisting. I was just looking at the name and asking for the first name.
Stop moving.
Well, what does it matter? She was saying that she's not scared of arrest anyway. That's what she said when she was sitting down. So don't try and plead your case now. Take your ass on down to the county.
Stop. I don't want to hurt you, ma'am.
Please,
Stop.
sir. Just let me explain. I was just looking at the name.
Nah, don't explain nothing.
You saw me get up. I was about to leave. I promise you.
If I move her now, I'm going to hurt her, so I'm just going to wait.
I was just asking for the name.
That's all right. I
Please.
got you.
Sir, I was just
I
asking
have
for the
one
name.
resisting. Just send me 45. Don't initiate a
Not
44.
resisting. Oh my
I'm
God.
holding her now. I just need one more to help me cuff.
I was just asking you for the name, sir. I'm not even resisting.
You going to let me put your hand in this cuff, or are you going to wait for 4 more people to come and do it?
I'm just saying, please listen to what I'm saying, because the whole time you guys did not listen. I had music on. I had music on.
Okay, well now
I promise you, I'm not going to come to this library. I don't really care about this library like that.
Okay, well, you should have left when I said to.
I just asked you for the name because this is a situation that I have to appeal. So I didn't see your first name, that's it. I was just about to leave. I have no problem leaving. That's not even worth me going through all that.
When you guys come up to the 4th floor, go to your right past the computers. Back like you're going to the back of the library.
You're making all this for a big deal for no reason, sorry. I'm not objecting. You're making this a big deal for no reason. I was asking for the name. The lady just mentioned appeal, and that's all I was doing. Just for asking for a name?
We gave you the name now.
No, you didn't. I just asked for the first name. I honestly, J. Cruz. How am I supposed to appeal that and take a further matter without no name? And I'm asking her for a name. Nobody wants to give me their name. How is that even giving me a trespass when I'm about to leave?
One on the left arm.
I'm about to literally leave.
Do as you're told, please. Okay? Thank you so much.
Stop. Do not twist around.
I'm not.
Oh yeah, the boys is there now.
Simply asking for the name.
You're not resisting.
Is it
You'll
okay?
get all the information you need. All right? Just let us get you secured in handcuffs and we'll figure things out, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, again, I'm sorry, guys. We really tried to give her every chance to walk out, but she didn't want to.
No, he didn't. I was just about to get out. I was just about to leave. You can ask anybody else.
Come on, now we're walking out.
It'll all be documented on body camera, ma'am.
Troy, can you grab her stuff and meet us downstairs?
What? That's ridiculous. How much did you get arrested for? Oh, this is ridiculous.
Thank you.
It's nice in there though.
I'm not about to go to jail. You guys are gonna let me go because
You're under arrest, man. You're going to jail
No,
right
I'm
now.
not. Then view the body cam. View the body cam. View the body cam.
All right, give us a minute.
What's done is done.
Please.
All right, give us a minute.
What's done is done, okay?
No, please. I was about to get out, and I just asked for a name, and he put handcuffs on me. That makes no sense.
All right, we'll take a look at the cameras.
Please do. I was just about to leave.
All
What
right,
the
give us a
hell?
second, okay? Just bear with
I
us.
have work to go to. I have things to do.
All right, just
Next
bear with
time,
us, okay?
just get up and leave next time.
I promise you, I'm not a person that care about this life like that. There's other libraries I go to. I don't need this issue right now.
Okay. Next time, just follow instructions. Okay, that's all you gotta do is instructions and nothing that I can add.
I appreciate you for saying that.
That's all you gotta do. You're welcome.
Come on, let's go.
I have to go to work today. I cannot miss work.
I wish you would have just walked out with me the first time I asked.
I'm asking you for a name. And that's all I did. I
on
didn't
the
say
paper.
I'm not leaving. Usually there's a refusal. I would be like, okay, make me leave then or something like that. I did not do all that.
Okay.
I did not do that. It doesn't make any sense. I didn't even refuse anything. I just asked for a name. That's how you're gonna let me go.
No, you're going to jail, man.
I'm not going to jail. I only asked for a name. I didn't do any refusing.
Listen, we're beyond that.
Resisting is refusing.
Stop. Yes. At this point, you're going to jail. Okay, don't make,
No, I
listen,
can't
listen.
possibly go to jail.
Sarge, you guys don't have a female, right?
First,
No
not doing
female.
anything extra.
I have to contact my lawyer. I have to do all that. I did not
You
do
would be
anything
able to do
wrong.
that at the jail, but it's
Just if you, I don't mind searching, just, you know.
I can't, sir. I can't.
well, that's what's
I
happening.
can't. I didn't even do anything wrong. Are you kidding me? I just asked for a name.
Don't make anything worse because then
didn't
you're going to be in there
resist.
longer. If
Is this somebody that I didn't do anything wrong?
Here's your report electronics. That's all I found that looked like to have any value. Is there something else
You
like
have to explain the situation. I can't leave out to explain.
you're under arrest and you're going to jail? You're
There has
back
to be a reason, though. There has to be a reason. This doesn't make no sense.
trespassing.
That's it. But I didn't do anything. I just literally told the guy I'm about to get up. And I just forgot the name.
Cindy was charged with trespassing in a structure and resisting without violence.
Now y'all know y'all fucked up for that. Come on, man. Y'all, what you doing, man? Yo, ain't no way. This is probably a photo of her at a prior incident, at a different incident. Come on now. This ain't Body cam files. Y'all file for that. That's crazy. That is, look at the, come on, man. Wait, no. That's that same shirt. This is how she looked? Nah. Hold on. See, she got them glasses on. Let me see. Yeah, she got some white shit on her face. Yeah. She got the Michael Jackson thing going on. Okay. All right. It makes sense. So now when you take everything off and all that, okay. Yeah. Yeah. That is unbelievable. That, oh, wait. Oops, I'm getting ahead of myself. All right, let's continue. Let's continue.
Cindy was charged with trespassing in a structure and resisting without violence. Later on September 24, 2025, she pled nolo contendere, and she was subsequently adjudicated guilty on both charges. She was sentenced to 5 days in the Orange County Jail, with 5 days' time served and paid $686.03 in court costs.
Yeah, so she ain't had the money to bond out, so she had to sit in there. That's all that was. Damn. That's all I got to say. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.